Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and the OS build so you know which policies apply. Next, open Settings and check Permissions. Look specifically for screen capture or media projection toggles. If the block shows as a system dialog, note the exact wording. If it's inside the app UI, capture a screenshot for reference. Once done, you'll have the exact status and evidence required to choose the correct workaround or policy change without guessing. You should enable developer options and USB debugging so you can inspect runtime flags. Then run a DB shell dumpsy's media projection to see active capture sessions and protection flags. This reveals whether flags secure or provider restrictions block capture. If the app is under your control, modify the manifest or runtime code to avoid setting secure flags when capture is needed. If not, consider using a system-level screen recorder with appropriate permissions. You finish by restarting the app and the device to ensure changes apply. Then test screen capture using different recorders and a separate user profile to rule out account policies. If capture still fails, audit device management profiles and enterprise policies. Revoke or adjust any conflicting restrictions. As a final troubleshooting tip, check for hardware DRM or kernel-level protections. If present, you'll need vendor support or an app update because those protections cannot be bypassed locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.